I think my best memory from the course definitely has to be the experience tour to Switzerland, visiting FIFA, what I consider to be the home of football, and the place where the game is organized was an amazing experience. I really enjoyed it.
Just being in that classroom every day with these interesting personalities, every day getting a new interesting international person in front of you who just talks about his experiences, about his life, and just asks us to challenge him with new ideas and just to be able to contribute to what this kind of person that already has achieved so much, and still he asks us for opinions and everything, and he still and they, at least they pretend that they learn from us, and that you get, it's a very rewarding feeling that they keep your opinion in some regard, and that you can work together to establish some new ideas.
Apart from all the fun memories that we had during the tours and during the classes, I'm taking all the debates with my fellow students with me. We mostly disagree on several topics, which led to a lot of very interesting and very insightful discussions.